Hello, we're doing Chapter 7, Section 6, Adding and Subtracting Polynomials. We're doing the guided practice problems on page 487. This is problem number 15, where we're going to use polynomials to represent measurements of angles. So the directions say, write a polynomial that represents the measure of angle ABD. Angle ABD is this angle right here, with B as the vertex and A and D as the direction points. Now, next year is when you're going to take geometry. So this may not necessarily be obvious because you haven't had geometry yet, all right? So don't make it doesn't have to be too hard. I'll get you through this part. Basically, and this is kind of an important idea, it has to do with the fact that this ray from B to C accounts for 0. So to find the measure of angle ABD, it's the measure of angle ABC from here to here plus the measure of angle CBD, all right? And there is the question of, well, do I also include whatever is right here? And the answer is no, because the width of that ray is 0. And that's a kind of an important geometry idea, which may be useful for this one, or maybe I'm just confusing you. I don't know. But one of the things about me is that I always try to be accurate. So to find the measure of the big angle, it's the sum of the two component angles. So I write 8a to the second, subtract 2a plus 5. And then the other angle, 7a, I'm going to write the 7a right here. And the 4 I'm going to put right here. Which means there was 0 a to the second in the other angle. 8 plus 0 is going to be 8. Negative 2 plus 7 is going to be 5. And 5 plus 4 equals 9. And the only other part about this, and I don't want to be too tricksy about this, but the only other part about this is that this represents the measure of angle ABD. And if you notice, all of these are measured in degrees. So now I have to write it like this. A to the second power plus 5a plus 9, parentheses around that whole thing, degrees. And that is the degree symbol, not to the 0. It's not meaning to the 0 power. Okay, ask questions in the discussion. We'll see you.